I'm going to teach this girl how to be normal. Step 1. How to sit. How do you sit? No, you sit like this. Step 2. How to walk. How do you walk? This is how you walk. Step 3. How to stand. How do you stand? This is how you stand. Step 4. How to dance. How do you dance?
Hey, I didn't mean to cause a big scene. Just give me an hour.
So put on your best sports and I'll wear my pearls. What I never did is done. A penny for me.
Step 5. How to talk. How do you talk?
So, like, totally, girl. Yeah. This is how you talk. So, yeah. Awesome.
So these are the 5 steps to being normal.